Hello everyone, I will show you how to make your YouTube channel private. First of all, what you need to do is to tap on your profile picture on the right top corner almost from here on your channel and tap on YouTube Studio, click on it and after that click on the settings from here and tap on the second option channel and from here tap on advanced settings and scroll down all the way to the end and tap on manage YouTube account and click on view advanced settings and from here what you need to do is to click on delete channel, but don't worry because this will not delete your channel. I will show you why. As you see from here we have two options. The first one is I want to hide my channel and the second one is I want to permanently delete my content. I will choose the first one and after that from here read this carefully one by one and after you read it tap on check mark from here if you want and after that tap on hide my channel and your channel will be hidden and will be private, and basically that's it. This is how we do it. Please leave a like on the video and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.